So this is the workshop, guys, and as you can see, someone is actually working on the bike. Need to check what he's actually got to know about the bike and the problems. And you can see dashboard here, the 175cc, Suzuki Shogun, two Shoguns, and that's a Supra. So backwards it's free. So I actually asked my uncle actually. I told him, see, opposite direction there's some issue, and he said I think it's something to do with the hub. So we didn't check it out. So not too sure.
It is heating up.
It's heating up, right?
See, all this paint has come off, all blistered because of the heat.
Okay.
I'll open and see whether it's the hub, the brake shoe, brake pads have come off, what I don't know.
Okay.
I'll open and see. The issue here also. Short coil.
With the coils, huh?
Yeah. See, now I've disconnected it here.
Okay.
Showing 89.2.
Yes.
Okay.
89.2.
If I check it here also, it's showing the same.
Okay.
Moment I connect it and check it here.
Oh. Okay, sir.
And that 89.2, 89, 90 also is less for a Shogun.
For a Shogun. Okay.
Shogun should be about around 120 to 130.
Okay. I mean, just to check what is actually wrong with the bike, you would have to remove everything.
Everything, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Because I don't know, you are not very sure what size it is running on.
It's running on 1.5.
Okay. Anyway, I'll check it if there is any score marks.
Score
what
marks.
It is.
Yeah, sure, sir.
And see this? Instead of the air screw, they put an idling screw here.
Yes.
How will it work? Cut. Some.
Yes.
See this? Touch it, cuts this here.
Oh. So it's because of that.
So this, when it engages with the gear in the front of the crankshaft, there's a lot of play between this gear and that gear. That is the sound you get. That is normal on Shoguns.
Okay.
When the bell is new, everything, there will be no sound. Once that wear out starts little bit, I mean, it won't wear out meaning it won't break or anything such, but that wear and tear is there. Once that play starts, that cut sound comes.
Okay.
That's because of this. And once I remove the head and cylinder, check the crank play. If the crank play is more, even then you will get the vibration.
Then you'll get the vibration as well. Okay. Even the bearing also, right?
Yeah. Let me remove the head and the cylinder and all that. Check it out.
Sure, sir.
Then you come.
And the carb is also original.
Carb is Shogun's.
Okay.
I'll get this coil rewound and this wiring. I'll go and have it replaced. Because it shouldn't drop. Once you connect it here, it shouldn't drop.
It shouldn't drop so much.
It should remain the same, or probably 0.5 low. Not more than that.
Okay.
This is coming down to almost half.
And was thinking that the disc is actually bent. But then sir tells me it's not.
The disc is not bent.
Okay, sir.
Here. See inside here. See the gap here?
Yes.
There's no gap here.
Oh.
It's not center.
Okay.
The wheel itself is not center. See here between the
gap
mudguard and the wheel rim here. See this side. Okay.
Okay.
And see here.
The mudguard and the
See this side. The wheel itself is not center.
The wheel itself is not center.
The disc I checked out. It's not bent.
So that's why not able to.
Only one side brake pad is holding, and that too not even the piston side. This is probably it was cracked. Okay, already put MC on that. As long as it works, let it be, because this again probably not getting.
So it's cracked here and
MC has been
MC has been used.
reed valve, everything is fine.
Okay.
The reed stops,
Uh-huh.
all four were different.
Oh, okay. The reed stops, okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You get a metal plate.
Yes, the metal plate.
Metal plate.
Yeah.
All four of them are different.
Okay.
So I've corrected that. Your brake plate.
Oh, this was the major issue.
I don't know. It should be this.
Okay.
It should be this. I have to get the bushing done on this. And then we'll see.
Started your career with the Rajdoot, right?
With the Rajdoot, yes. I started in 1975-76.
Mm-hmm.
And 1978, I was called to the factory for training
Okay.
at Faridabad. We were about 45 of us, all from all over India.
Mm-hmm.
I am the only person they have sent a special toolkit for the Rajdoot hammer. It's lying there in one carton. Complete special tools for a Rajdoot. I'm the only one they sent it. I'll show you.
Yeah, the workshop manual for Rajdoot.
Entire thing. And this is what I got along with that toolkit.
Okay.
So I have a brand new, unused book here.
Crazy.
This is my dad and me. My dad riding and me navigating.
Okay.
The trophies for that I heard.
And that's you in the early days, is it?
Yeah, the 54 is me.
The 54 is you.
54 is me. This is that one is at Jaipur.
The Jaipur era.
Yeah, that is RXG which I had.
The RXG, is it?
G, yeah.
Okay.
And that last one, 91, is the RX 100 which I had. 87 model. That is at Solavar, Chennai. RD350 was here, I am here.
So this is the RD350 and you're on the RXG, which was not converted to 5 guys, but
Yeah.
And so you finished the race, eh?
I gave a bad start.
Okay.
I finished about 7th or 8th.
Okay. So then an RXG against an
And
RD.
that RD350 finish here, I finished here, like this.
Okay.
More, I put the third gear, I'm just going to shift it to fourth, and I got another power back. The bike is still moving and going forward fast. I didn't have the time to pull it to fourth. I finished the 400 meters. Always back pain on that.
Crazy.